Good morning everyone. Okay, Tiang sekarang dengan husband kita orang nak breakfast dulu. Sekejap lagi husband nak pergi kerja. So husband akan hantar Tiang pergi kelas masak. Kita hari ni nak masak pad thai. So actually kelas start pukul 10 waktu Thailand. Tapi kita orang kena ada kat sana pukul 9 by diorang organizer dia klub. So macam before start makan dulu.
Chicken is still alive. So you have to finish like this. Otherwise you have no chicken. You can come closer. Okay, next one. Sure, Charlotte. Some people say after you eat this one, no talking, no kissing 1 week. Very strong. But if both of you eat, it's okay. But not outside the group. No kissing. Okay, we'll take this one. Next one. You know, right? Okay. This one from Manchester. Yeah. Okay, next one. Tamarind. You know tamarind? Yeah, sour tamarind. Sampalok. Okay. We take tamarind and chili. You gonna taste?
She can handle the hot.
You wanna taste? This one, number 3. Not the most spicy one. I will show you number 1 inside. Okay. This one, number 3. Today we use this one. Okay, next one.
The lemon is alive.
Yes.
Live.
For tom yum gung. Tom yum soup. You know tom yum? Sour, spicy
Live.
soup. Yes. Okay. Okay.
What's that?
This one is a palm sugar. Finance. Finance 100 baht.
Sekarang kita tengah pergi ke shopping barang-barang macam seafood, ayam, fruits, untuk cooking class kita kejap ni. Master sure. Okay, yang baju warna putih.
Jennifer.
So sekarang ni
This one baby. My favorite. I like frog. You see frog over there? This one yummy. You can taste it. Straw mushroom. Like a straw mushroom. They go from straw. Look like strawberry. Straw mushroom. And this one. Number 2. Number 2. So in Thailand, how do you know which one's spicy? Smaller, hotter. Okay, smaller, hotter. This one medium. This one number 1, number 2. Okay, we take number 3. This one number 5. No spicy at all. This one just for decoration, for color. Okay, for
How spicy is that?
not spicy at all, sweet. This one, Thai aubergine. Eggplant, small but strong. Thai people, we love small things. So everything in Thailand turns small but strong, like a Thai people. Small, strong. Anything else? We have yellow eggplant. Yellow eggplant. But today we use this one, green eggplant. The normal one.
What's the difference between green and yellow?
Just the color different, but inside is the same.
Yeah.
It's the same. Really colorful.
And the same thing with the purple ones?
Yeah, same, but different. ขอบคุณครับ
semua kita orang dah habis shopping. Okay. So nak pergi naik tuk-tuk, nak pergi belajar masak. Okay. So tunggu dia update lagi macam ni kita orang masak pad thai, sticky, mango sticky
So
rice.
it's like the first time in 22 years that reunion. Yeah.
Okay. So kita nak masuk sekarang ni, kita nak start Hi.
Hi.
can put your shoes here. Okay. Long queue. It's a long queue. Galangal. Glang. Ah, Glang. Like Galangal. Okay. So I call you Galangal. Oh, you can. Anna. Okay. Nice to meet you all. Make a new friend. Make a new friend. Nont. N-O-N-T. Fast as possible. No constipation. No constipation. It's not diarrhea, nah? Detox. Clean everything. You have problem? And anyone have problem? Stomach problem? No, no. No more, no. Okay. Sometimes. Okay. How many days already? Oh. Okay, no. No more. No more. Okay, no more. Before we start, I want to show you this one, Thai rice. This is Thai rice. In Thailand, we have two kinds of rice. This one jasmine. This one sticky. For jasmine, we eat with curry. For sticky rice, we make dessert. Okay? For jasmine, I have two choices for you. The brown one, healthy. The white one, yummy. So today, healthy or yummy? Healthy or yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy. Healthy. 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 Healthy.
Yummy?
Yummy. Healthy. Yummy. Yummy. No. Yummy. You change your mind. Okay. Now today we can mix half. Yummy, healthy. Okay. Okay. Because some want healthy, some want yummy. Nah? Okay. For jasmine, really easy. You just boil. But nowadays we have rice cooker. We have new technologies. Everything. Okay. Cooking. Okay. One.
Tengah buat Tom-yum. Ini kita dah masak. Okay, nanti kita tunjuk ingredient tadi.
Then we take coconut milk.
But looks very good.
I think I made it spicy.
A little bit coconut milk. Make it like a more light, not too strong. More yummy. More
You already taken the cream out.
Everyone, how do you know it's okay or not? Huh? If you see the tomato skin peel off, it's ready. Yeah, that's an indicator. Yeah, and then turn off. Turn off. For shrimp, only 10 seconds. Cook. Yeah. Okay, turn off. And then you can remove the tray down. And then
Okay, kita dah pergi masak Tom-yum gong. Sekarang dia nak
No way.
quite far from here. One of them from Philippines. Met a new friend. Hi.
everyone, cut tofu, please. You see tofu? Yellow tofu. Freestyle. Okay. And then noodle. Okay. Okay. And then you can put pad thai on the banana leaf. Okay. You can put on banana leaf. A little bit cooler. This one for masaman. Okay. And then we do a dry stir fry. Big fire, 1 minute to make the smell stronger. Okay. Thank you, Justin. Okay, outside please, 1 minute. Thank you. Very strong. Take a deep breath. Okay. Next one. Cheesecake, you need the, just a little bit for aromatic smell. When you squeeze, now you see the oil come up. Okay.
Yeah.
You can smell. So 12 hours or 10? 8 hours. Okay. You can stick until they become thick. A little bit longer. Nowadays, if you go to the restaurant, they serve you like a soup. That's a new style. Or you can have to be cooked and good.
Masak sampai bekas.
You are the winner. Then put curry next to the rice. For the winner, you get how to say thank you in Alaska. Okay, one save the room for mango sticky rice. So when you go back home, you don't have pandan. You can use vanilla for smell. This is Thai vanilla. And then we use this cream, put on the top of sticky rice. Very yummy. Okay, move it. I need a volunteer. Thank you. You're so kind, so nice. Then stir, please. Okay. Now it's not sticky. How to make it sticky? Thick, like a cream. Corn flour. Okay. Corn flour. And then use the corner spoon and then. Okay. The corner flour. Okay. This one no smell, no taste. That's only for color. Boom. You keep the cream here. And pandan for smell. Okay. And then massage. Yeah, and then you see the color come out.
It just happens that she's a massage therapist,
Yeah.
so she can do that.
I know she loves massage. Our rice done. I put in here first. Okay. See? Can you help me open them, please? Let them breathe. Master chef.
Wow, that's an amazing color. Yeah.
If you want the green color, you smash pandan. And then you get green color. If you want yellow color, turmeric. Yellow ginger, curcuma. The black color, black sticky rice. Many color in Thailand. You see this one, they make cocktail, they make drink. They do like this too. Okay, 1, 2, go. Okay, and then 1, 2, go. Purple. Beautiful. Okay, and then we just put this one in the sticky rice. Okay. Oh, your credit. 1, 2, go. Very blue. Really, really blue.
Your word, Anna. Your word.
Thank you, Anna. This is the best sticky rice I have ever seen in my life. Sweet. We add a little bit sugar already.
A little bit, sure.
A little bit sugar.
A little bit.
This one yours. This one yours. Okay. Mango skin, not your skin. If you see the red color, that means something wrong. That means you cut your hand. Really tropical. Okay.
Easy, right? Oh, there.
Dah habislah masak. Muka, ya Allah sih. Boleh masak ikan. Pelan-pelan. Okay, so kalau korang naik MRT, kena lalu sini lah. This way. Nanti dia update balik Penat sangat nak kerja jalan ni. Panas.